back on the interstate. We're going north from Wilson Avenue. Just getting back on again. We can see Quake Road straight ahead, so you guys kind of know where we're at. Sixteenth Avenue, missed it. It was all underwater. Get signs as we go. Right here is 8th Avenue. Kind of will be looking straight up 8th Avenue here a minute towards the river. There's 8th Avenue back there. Don't worry about where we're going. We missed 8th Avenue back there. Should have went back that way, I think. This is like 3rd Avenue here. Sheriff's Office, 2nd Avenue. There's a Dairy Queen. All you could see was sticking the Dairy Queen sign out of the river when it was up as high as it bend, the highest. Now we're getting to the 5 and 1. We're going to be looking down the river towards 1st Avenue, the courthouse and everything. It was going over the handrails on 1st, 2nd, and 3rd Avenue Bridge. You couldn't even see the handrails. Now you can see all the debris up against the handrails and everything, and they're just barely sticking out of the water now. There's A Street, all downtown, flooded all the way up the 4th Street railroad tracks. That's probably about it, ain't it? It was